welcome back. So I have Butterflies in Bloom to share with you guys today. She is a 6x9, 2 3/4 inch spine, close to 300 pages, and let's get into it. So I framed the cover out again, and this title, it is handwritten. You can remove that and put your name behind there, or just leave it like so. And I've got some corner pieces here, 5 hubs on the spine, and there's the back. I do need to point out that my signatures, the last 2 are a little bit, let me see, can you see that? These 2 are a little bit further down, but you can still see everything is in the journal nicely. But I did want to point that out. Okay, let's make sure we are centered. Okay, so I have my title page here on my copyright page. That quote again, since it's still a nature-themed journal. And some Edith Holden, just a large tag. I do have some lace tabs on the end of some of the pages. As you can see, she is stuffed, but I do have lots of journaling places. Just some vintage dictionary pages, vintage ledger. These tabs are these labels come from Which Craft Do You Do? And this is that vintage botanical paper. Vintage. And these are the paperscapes I showed you guys before. So I pulled those out and used those again. And this is the little fold out that I did while I was doing my chit chat chatter last episode. Okay, so I just have a pocket here, and these pull out. I have stuck just a little label here, and this is open to tuck something in on the side. And these are the little tags that come from the Iris kit from After Midnight Design. And on the back, I have just a little booklet using the Edith Holden paper that tucks back in and tucks inside the pocket. And there's the quote again. Okay, this title is wrong, as I was thinking. Yeah, so I will have to do that again. I wonder if I can change that over. It's Butterflies and Blooms. So this is the name of the journal here, guys. Butterflies and Blooms. Okay, not this one. I did do a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. Love these paperscape books. There's just a little tuck spot there. Make sure we're in. I do not want to do more than one video. A little tag. Another large Edith Holden tag there. And love that. And the pairing with the April. I need to add a washer to that, a grommet and washer. to look at it again. Glove. Where's my birdie? My birdie. More old ledger paper from 1891. And this is tailor-made journals. This is her vintage her digital kit of her ledger papers. So lots of botanicals, butterflies, hence the name of the journal. Lots of vintage papers, the typical. And I'm very limited on these, and I do hate it because I actually like how they look in journals, in my journals. This is not tied down, but we're going to leave it. I'll have to insert that somehow, because apparently that's where it's supposed to go. Like that. And that one almost matches that up. And this is not finished. So I was going to create, Artie Mays did a little tag like this a long time ago. I was going to make this like a pocket tag, or yeah, and then stick something in there, and then just have your washer and grommet here. But yeah, I didn't finish that. Let's keep that sticking out. I did stick some more of those in here. I found a couple. And these flowers. Goosefoot, okay. Plantain. I finally used some of those. I want to use these, just make another big journal and put these in there. But yeah, I don't know about making a big journal like that right now. And I see what I did, I think. Let's see. Okay, I don't know. I'll have to, oh, I forgot to put it in, but this is a little tuck spot as well. I'm going to do something. I have this idea, you guys, and I was supposed to finish it up, but I did not. But anyway, so you know how you have those pages that you do not want to sacrifice, and so instead of putting them on one of the large tags like I did the others, I was like, you know, let me just put it in this clear, I can't even think of this, acetate, and make something out of it. But I was supposed to add some more stuff to it. So hopefully I will do that. And then this was the second one as well. So those are not completed. I'll have to complete those as well. Add some extra to that. And, oh, yeah. This is a pocket. And I see that I've just not, that is a pocket, and this is a pocket, I think. Yeah, that's a pocket as well. So I just need to add some tags to it. But yeah, that lays just, that's that right there. And this, these images are from Tracy Fox journals. Okay, so that'll pop open, close that back up, then like that. And then we'll turn the page here. I would like to put something there to cover that up. And another loose page. You guys, I am not going to record this video, re-record this video. So whoever purchases this journal, you will just have an extra page there. And this will be listed in my Etsy, you guys. Or playing around with, yeah, digitals. So more journaling papers. Excuse me. So I would like to add something. I'm not, because to achieve more like a like it's coming off the page, I just like to add a picture in behind that. So I'll probably add that in somehow as well. So I'll leave that like that. And there's another loose page we've got going on there. You guys, I don't think my book was quite completed. Oh, okay. I'll just put it to the side and come back and thought I was finished with it. Apparently not. So that will pop up, and there you have that page and go back. And so to keep it from doing all that, I've just stuck it in the pocket. I did sew it on, so it is sewn on. If I can get it to tuck back in. So you do have lots of pockets. And this is another one of those flip outs. Using that image again, really like that. And use the Tim Holtz butterfly and one of After Midnight Designs Botanical Library card. And that will tuck back in like so. And this is a pocket up top. I just haven't put a pocket in there. Put a tag in there. And I have, this is from when I was doing the Edith Holden. I did a tutorial over putting some of these together. But it's actually a tuck spot. Okay, but what I did was, you can take this out, okay? But I've sewn this into the signature, this image, this page here, because I liked this whole spread. And I am sorry, you guys, I do love those colors. I am sorry, you guys, I am tired, but I wanted to get this journal uploaded, recorded and uploaded. And it takes, if this video is 15-20 minutes long, it will probably take 6 hours to upload. So I will let this upload overnight. And so that's why I'm trying to do it now. So anyway, this is, I had one of those left over from when I did the Spread Your Wings journal. Really love that journal, very special journal. But anyway, and so it's a little bit, but this wing tucks back in like so. And there's a tuck spot on the back of that. There's that. Okay. Getting to the end of this little flip. And this is the last page. There's my little stamp. And that will conclude the journal flip. And remember, guys, it is butterflies and blooms. You all have a lovely evening. Oh, no. Have a lovely night, a lovely morning, or a lovely evening wherever you are.